This is just a quick video that I want to do regarding the washer jet inserts on the BMW E60/E61 for the headlight washer jets. Now, a lot of people out there say that you have to remove the front bumper and the headlights, which this is true if you want to replace the whole unit. But if, like me, you just need to replace the inserts, there is a much easier way of doing it that basically just requires a few common hand tools, and I'm just going to show you that now. What you need to do, you can even use your nails to pull this flat back. With this here, if it's still there and it hasn't snapped off, use even pressure to just pull it out. Just pull it out and you get some mole grips around there, around it. Obviously you put a bit of cloth between the mole grips and your bumper so you don't scratch it, and then there's a little tab just there. You pull that up and then those teeth release, and then you can remove this insert bit here. Now if you're just unblocking, you can put a straw cleaner or something down there, push it down when you took this bit out, and there's like a springy bit in there that you push back. I'll just let that go, and then you just push that springy bit down and then just try and get the straw cleaner thing around it, and then when you put that back in, it just slots back in. So with my situation, one side was blocked and had nothing coming out, and the other side, the end was broken. I'll just show you a little clip of what that looked like. And then this is what the broken one looked like. And then this is what the blocked one looked like. So as I mentioned in the video when I showed you how to do it, literally a straw cleaner, something with bristles on, pipe cleaner, whatever, just something just to get down there that's narrow enough and that can just sort of try and, I don't know, free off any blockage areas. A few nights before that I did put a bit of WD-40 down there just to like absorb into any blocked areas, but I don't know if that made a difference or not. I couldn't tell you. One thing I would say is just be careful with it, because you know, with these cars they are getting on a bit and the plastic is a bit brittle, so it's quite easy to snap the plastic, and sometimes they don't always want to come out so easy. So take your time, just pull. Well, I don't think you can twist anyway because there's splines that go along, but yeah, that is it. How to change it, as I say, if you just need to clear a blockage, or if you need to replace a broken insert, then that's how you do it. If you're unsure how to check, obviously get somebody to pull the windscreen washer for you while you watch, or alternatively just set your camera up somewhere and record while you're doing it. Just something to note, your lights need to be on, not side lights, not auto, not off, dip beam ideally. And then it only seems to work once when you hold it down for the first time, and then if you try doing it again after, it doesn't seem to work again after that. I think that's just normal, because you're not going to need your headlights cleaning like every 5 minutes. So I think it is a sort of timed thing or restricted thing. But yeah, obviously get somebody to do it, or set your phone up to record it doing it. Because obviously you need to know if those motors are pushing the actual caps open, and obviously make sure that your car actually has them, which, like I've shown in the video, you can just pull the flap back and just have a look, and should be able to see if you have got them or not if you are unsure. I just wanted to do this video because I found that it was a bit tricky for me out there to source the information I wanted to source. Oh, and just before I forget, this is a video of what they look like when they are working properly. But yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching the video. If it was helpful, or if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, peace.